Hi everyone, welcome back to SL Brokerage Hub. If you're an online seller or content creator, you know how important it is to grab attention with your visuals. Well, today I'm reviewing a new AI tool that's been making noise in the creative world, the Remaker AI. If you wish to explore the site while watching this video, sign up using my affiliate link in the description. It promises to help you make professional, scroll-stopping content using just photos, text, and AI. Let's explore its best features, especially the two that really impressed me: face swap and image to video. Remaker AI is an online platform that uses artificial intelligence to help you create and edit content fast. No need for complex software. Everything runs right in your browser. It's great for product photos, lifestyle content, or promo videos, especially if you want to make your brand look more professional without hiring a full editing team. Remaker AI comes with several creative tools like AI Video Generator, turn text prompts into short videos; Face Swap, change faces easily and realistically; Image to Video, animate your still photos; Background Remover, perfect for clean product photos. All of these tools are powered by AI, meaning the hard work is done for you. Let's start with Face Swap, one of Remaker AI's most viral tools. Simply upload two images, one base photo and one with the face you want to apply. Click Generate, and in just a few seconds, the result appears. The swap looks natural. Lighting, skin tone, and details are blended perfectly. For online sellers, this means you can showcase your products on different models without another photo shoot. And for content creators, it's a fun and creative way to make unique visuals or story concepts. Now, my favorite part, the image to video feature. This lets you take a simple photo and turn it into a short, moving video. Upload your picture, add a short prompt like "make her smile and blink naturally," and click Generate Video. In seconds, your still image comes to life. It blinks, smiles, and moves realistically. If you're a seller, you can turn a product shot into a short animated ad. And if you're a creator, it's perfect for adding life to your thumbnails, intros, or reels. Here's what makes Remaker AI perfect for business owners and creators. It saves you time, no long editing hours. It saves you money, no need for expensive software. And it boosts engagement because AI visuals always stand out online. Whether you're promoting beauty products, fashion, travel, or lifestyle content, this tool can make your visuals more exciting and professional. So that's my full Remaker AI review for 2025. It's easy, powerful, and honestly, one of the best AI tools I've tried for content creation. If you're ready to take your online marketing to the next level, definitely give Remaker.ai a try. Sign up through my affiliate link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow creators or sellers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.